How to close background running apps on iPhone. Okay, in this video I will tell you learn iPhone is easy step. Okay, so first you have to just go to the back. Now you have to just open the iPhone settings app, click on the iPhone settings app and open the iPhone settings app. And now you can see in the general option, in the downside you can see, click on the general options. Now you can find here, you have to just find here, scroll up, and now you can find here background and app refresh. Click on the background and app refresh. After click on the background and app refresh, now you can see here many apps which is available on your iPhone by default. Okay, now you can see the all apps here that is turned on. You have to just for any particular app, then you can easily, so you can off this. Okay, that will be off. You want to off here background refresh, you can click on here. Now you can see here how the Wi-Fi and cellular data, so you have to just click on the off options and you can see your background app refresh will be off. So this video is helpful to you, then please like this video and subscribe to Genuine Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.